Hey guys, what's going on in crypto land? It's Andrew Murray here, and with this video we're going to be talking about netcoins. Netcoins is a cryptocurrency exchange that's based in Vancouver in Canada, and one of the nice things about it is they are a public company, so they're on the Canadian Securities Exchange under BIGG digital assets. So that should give you some confidence that they're on the up and up. Of course, they're regulated with FinTrack as well. And what's really cool is right now you can get $50 when you fund your account with netcoins. So it's a great platform to buy your first cryptocurrency in Canada. It's easy to buy Bitcoin, and they have 7 other coins as well. They do have some really nice. Crypto basics if you want to up your game and start learning about cryptocurrency. But let's get into the account and I'll show you how you can buy your first crypto on netcoins. So you're going to log into your account here. You're going to actually create an account first, and they're going to go through a verification process. The verification process is pretty much instantaneous. It's not going to take a long time to get it set up. And then when you log in, I've actually set up 2-factor authentication using Authy. And now we're into netcoins, okay? So this is great. You can start trading and you can earn $50 for everyone you refer to netcoins, and they get $10 also. And you can also unlock a reward once you start trading your account. So that's really cool. So I've already funded my account. Now I funded my account with Interact eTransfer, and there is no fee for that. There's no fee to deposit. There is a small fee for withdrawing into crypto. There is no fee for withdrawing into fiat. You can just cash out your cryptocurrency and put it back into your bank account. If you're withdrawing cryptocurrency, there is a small fee. As you can see, it's really quite small. And these are some of the coins that they have that you can actually withdraw. And you can see that they each have a little bit of a different withdrawal fee, and they're all very reasonable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the dashboard here, and we're gonna buy some cryptocurrency. So as you can see here, it's loaded the price. You can see the 3-day chart, the 1-month chart, and it makes it very simple for you to get your cryptocurrency. So you can do a limit order. A limit order will execute when it reaches a target price. So let's say that you wanted to buy cryptocurrency, but you only wanted to spend a certain amount, you'd be able to do that. You can select the cryptocurrency that you want here. I do like Algorand. They have a very interesting blockchain. So you can buy or sell, and you can do an instant or a limit order. So I'll do a limit order and show you how that works. Basically, what happens is right now the price, the buy is at 2.28 and the sell is at 2.24. So what you'll do is you'll set a price that you're willing to buy it for, and then you can spend your money, and if it hits that, then it will execute. So in this case, let's say I want to buy it at 2.2 algos, and I wanted to buy Algorand, and I wanted to spend, let's say, the maximum dollars, then it will fill that out with 50 algo at 2.2. So what this means is that if I place this order here, I'll hit preview, what it's going to do is a limit order. So there's going to be that small fee there. So I'm going to pay 110, and basically I'm using 109.45. It's not an immediate trade, okay? So it will only execute once algo hits the target price of 2.2. So what that means is that unless algo drops to 2.2, then it won't trigger. But when it does drop, then it's going to trigger. So what that does is, if you can set your buy for a little bit lower, because crypto is so volatile and it can go up and down, what you can do is you can get it for a little bit of a better price than that. Okay, so I've got an open order here. You can see your open orders here, and you can see your transactions, when it was deposited, and all that good stuff. So over here you have profile, base currency, withdraw details, set up your two-factor authentication, and you can see a risk statement. And you can also buy with a credit card if you wanted to do that. That's how you get started with Netcoins. What I would love you to do is use the link in the description. Get started with Netcoins. It's a really nice platform. They actually have a mobile app as well. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos on some of the other cryptocurrency exchanges. There are some really great ones in Canada, and then you'll be diversifying your income portfolio. The other thing is you do get some nice referral bonuses for signing up for some of these cryptocurrency. And I always look at that as, hey, there's a bonus I'm going to put into cryptocurrency, and then I'm going to watch that grow as cryptocurrency grows over time. So overall, I think it's a really good idea to do that. And if you have any questions about Netcoins or about using it, then let me know and I'd be more than happy to help you out. All right, that's it for this video. We will see you in the next one.